Hello everyone. Who of you all have ever been to Kenya or thought about going there? Not a lot, I think. My name is Arthur, and today I will be presenting you my slidecast on the topic Belgian in Kenya. So, the table of content. I will be talking about who is my expat and what she did. Based on the Hofstede Insight website, I will discuss if there are some similarities or differences in individualism and power distance between Belgium and Kenya. And at the end, an overall conclusion, and according to my expat, if it's worth it to move abroad. Life of my expat. My expat's name is Manu Balein. She's 23 years old and born and raised in Kokzijde. It's a city next to the Belgian coast. She got her bachelor's degree in social work and her master's degree in gender studies. Manu lived in Kenya for about 1 year and a half, working as an expat in Nairobi, which is the capital of Kenya, and over there she was part of the IOM, the International Organization for Migration, which is the department of the United Nations. Individualism. Individualism has to do whether people's self-image is defined in terms of I or we. Basically, you have two different types of societies. In the individualistic ones, people are supposed to just take care of themselves and their family, while in the collectivist one, people belong more to groups in exchange for loyalty. According to the Hofstede, individualism is a big difference between Belgium and Kenya, and here on the slide, as you can see, Belgium got a score of 75 while Kenya got a score of 25. So this means that Belgium is more individualist society and Kenya collectivist. But this was also confirmed by my expat, the article, The Ethnic Tribes of Kenya. There are 42 different tribes and a lot of families are living together in the same house. So none of the family members are left alone. In Belgium it's totally the opposite. After we are done with school or start working, people tend to leave their parents' house. Another example she gave me was about a marriage. Families she just knew for only 3 months already invited her to attend the wedding of a family member. But not a single person in Belgium would think about for inviting almost a random and unknown person to a wedding, which is I think a very personal event. And the last one is work. The drive for Belgian people's success. We will do everything to get that promotion or paycheck raise, but my expat told me the people in Kenya have more of a personal relationship with each other. Power distance. Power distance is defined as a degree to which less powerful members of an institution and organization in a country expect and accept that power isn't distributed equally, which means there is an inequality among individuals. And this is very similar between Belgium and Kenya. As you can see, based on Hofstede, Belgium has a score of 65 and Kenya has a score of 70. This means that social inequalities and hierarchy are accepted in these two countries. For example, the company hierarchy is a very important thing in Belgium. CEO has to be respected and people have to show respect for him and other important people in that company. This is the same in Kenya, plus they have a large power distance because it's a republic ruled by president. And this brings me to my conclusion. The only words my expat had for this experience are just do it. People often have a bad view of Kenya, but the life in Nairobi is just the same as in other big cities. It's a busy life with a lot of events. You can't tell if you haven't been there. And for me, as a person, it's important to get out of your comfort zone and go explore the world. It will not give you a cultural experience, but also a whole different view on the world. These are all the different sources that I used. I hope it was interesting and thank you for listening.